Good morning. It is Monday morning here at French Quarter. We are...
Riverside!
Good morning. It's Monday morning. We are over at Riverside. We are waiting for a boat to go to Disney Springs. We can see boat rights right across the way there, so you know where we are. And this is the dock that's going to take us to Disney Springs in a little bit. Back for us any second now. It's like Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Really amazing. We tried a bunch of flavors that we've been really meaning to try, and I got the double malted chocolate cookie dough. It's incredible. This is really nice. Really interesting. There was no line. We thought the place was closed. We almost walked right by it, but we walked in and we were the only people in there. Because it was breakfast time, probably. That's it.
I'm all over you, 'cause I'm the king. Like, I don't want it. Oh, you like the person?
That's it. Crazy about the V-neck. This almost feel like a definite buy. And again, the bucket hat's not my thing, but that's really cool. I don't think Mallory would want me to wear one of these around, but I love the artwork. Yeah. Went to Everglades for the first time for the peanut butter cold brew, which is amazing. It's better than Gideon's. It tastes like coffee, but like a little bit of peanut butter. I love it. So we're in Sprinkles. Not a very busy day here on this Monday morning.
Which one do you want next? Go, go, go!
Alright, we're continuing our eating tour around Disney Springs, and now we are at Chicken Guys.
Oh, yummy, my favorite.
Everything has really been on point today. Really, this whole trip, food-wise.
I want yours too. I know you want to buy yours.
That sandwich was so good. I'll show you what's left of it. Oh, there's nothing left. It's already gone. I ate the whole thing.
That was so good.
Yeah.
The best chicken burger ever. And I love the wasabi honey.
the dreaded Disney balloon. We got one. We now own this. He said we can get it deflated at the airport Disney store, which I think is hilarious. Just the idea of like going into the airport with one of these things to the store and asking to deflate it before the ride is just so funny to me. $15 well spent, no matter how or where this thing ends up. It's got a hoodie like pocket with no hood. It's really neat. Hiding here in the corner is definitely the coolest Star Wars stuff in the store. Original McGuire logo. Okay. This is the coolest thing ever.
Yeah, it is.
I don't recall seeing this.
I don't think we
All the
remember
boxes are pretty banged up, honestly.
It's bad.
How much?
120, so with our discount it would be 80.
I don't know.
We all get stuff here.
This has been my view walking. Oh, thanks, Jade. Oof, got the camera. Mommy is doing mobile check-in.
So wonderful.
We came here for a haircut and we left with something more important. A light green tumbler that has a Starbucks logo on it. Hello, I'm back. Got back from Disney Springs, hung out for a little bit, changed. We all changed. And now we're heading to French Quarter. We're just gonna hang out around here tonight and eat and hang out and relax and just enjoy. It has started raining. Ian's on his way. We're in the arcade. She's playing. We're having a great time. Arcade was empty when we walked in, and now it's starting to get packed because it started to rain and thunder outside pretty good.